Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit the forms in Kajabi. So your visitor can easily reach out to you, whether it is a question, support, or business inquiry. Let's get right into it. Start by logging to your Kajabi dashboard. On the left, click on website and then design. On the website design, you will see your templates and click on the customize menu from the inactive templates. And if you have a active template, hit this customize button. So it will open the templates in customizer. When you install our template the first time, you might see that some form is missing. If I scroll down and you can see for these sections, the newsletter section, the form is actually missing. Okay. So this is very normal when you install a new template. You can always create your form and add it. And when I click on this placeholder, you can see it open the settings of this form. And you can see there is a drop down. It's called select form. And if I click on this drop down, you will see all our listed form is available here. You can just select your form from here. On my case, I'm going to use the default form. When I select this one, the form is shown. Now, here are some information that you can use to customize the form further. This is a thank you URL. When someone fills this form, you can select the actions. Okay, so it can be a thank you page or a URL. If you leave this blank, the user will go to the default thank you page of your website. Also, we have some disclaimer text that will show. For example, if I add some text, you can see the text is showing it, and also you can change the color of this text to something like this. You can see this is showing. Also, we have some option to add some information. This information will show above the form. And now we have some options. So input label, if you want to show the label, you can just select the options to label, and you can see the names are showing above the fields. And if you want to keep it on placeholder, just select this one. Also, we have some options like inline form. We have this form set as inline. If you don't want not inline, just uncheck this one. And you can see this is just not inline anymore. So I'm going back to it inline, and then I'm going to remove all this text that is showing here. Now, let's scroll down and you can see we have some more options. Let's start with the button. On this button, you can see the text of this form. So currently it is calling subscribe. This is how this section was built. And I can change this to something like this. Okay, you can see the text is changed. And now we have some other options for this form customization, background color of this button, text color, and other option. And currently this is coming from the global options. And if you want to force this form buttons style from global, just check this one. It will actually showing from the style from the global. Okay. And so the global buttons is pretty big. So I'm going to make this one unchecked. So it will look something like this. Okay, and there are some other options for this button that is coming from the global options as they are blank. When they are blank, it is coming from the web. So this is how we manage the form. Now I'm going to show you how can you customize a form. If you want to customize a form, you just click on these edit forms. It will take you to the forms listing page of Kajabi. You can see all our forms are listed here. And if you go to the marketing and then form, you can access this page too. Okay. Now here you will see all our available form that is available here, and you can create a new form. When you click on the new form, you give a title. If I give a title, test form, and let's save. And we have options, so we can have option double opt-in or single opt-in. When we set double opt-in, it confirmation email will send to the user's email and they need to confirm. And then we have single opt-in and we have some other additional options. Send custom confirmation the new contact. If you want to customize this message that will go to the user's email, you can edit it here. And also if you want to redirect the page to a landing page or something, you can do this too. Also, this is the main part, the fields of the form. You can click on this plus icon and you can see all available list of field. You can select a field or you can just create a new field by clicking on this button and type of the field, give a name and save. Okay, so this is how these things, and we have some automation. This is a these automations are other parts, so we are not going to cover this part here. Also, we have some other after submission actions, like you can send a notification to your team, you can add the email address. Also, you can send a contact to a third party emails provider that you can configure on integration page, this page, and also send a contact to a custom thank you page. So when someone fill the form, they will go to this contact page. Okay, so this is how these things work. And when you are done, click on this sub. And when the form is submitted and when someone fill the form, you can see there is a tab on this form that is called submission. And if I go there, currently there is no submission. That is why the submission is showing. And also we have an embed option. When I click embed, you can actually generate a embed code. So on this embed page, you can see this there is some embed code. And if I copy this code and use it to any other site, not only the Kajabi site, to any other site, and this form will show. This is the preview, and you can customize the information of this preview, like the title and description and button text, and you have the some color options and the forms style too. And when you're done, so save, and you can copy this item and save. And when you create a new form, you can come here and select this form too. So this is how this form is actually working, and this process is same for the all form. If you have form on the contact page, the process is same. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.